Hello friends, today we're going to talk about starter. Runners on your mark, set. No, not that starter. This starter, siding starter. So starter is what goes on the house, and it's the first piece that your siding will lock into. So the way we do this, the first thing you need to do is figure out how far below you want that starter to look, or where you want it to sit. So I have a mark here that I already made. That's a 1/2 inch below where the foundation meets the framing. So I marked a 1/2 inch below. Then you want to measure the height of your starter. And then from that mark, go up whatever the height of your starter is and make a new mark. Do that at the other end, and then we'll snap a line, and that way you can nail right to that line, and it's nice and level all the way across. Now before you nail your starter on, what I like to do in this type of situation is put caulking, put some nice silicone, some exterior silicone at the foundation and wall point. At the joint here, I like to put some nice silicone. That way you never have any drafts or any bugs trying to get in. It just helps seal it off nice. So the caulking I use for that, I like this GSL ProFlex stuff. I think it does a good job. It's just a clear caulking, but it really wouldn't matter if it was white or tan or whatever at this point, because it's going to be covered up. So I like to put a nice bead of caulking here and make sure there's nothing that could get in there, no wind or bugs or anything like that, moisture. So now back to starter, we will go ahead, put a nail here, so that way we can put our chalk line on there, pull it down there, and then we'll snap that line, and that'll give us a nice line to nail our starter up to. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know how to put on starter. I'm going to go ahead and continue this, keep moving forward, and then we will show you the next piece for siding on the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to work hard, because hard work's its own reward. And try to better yourself today. Something today that makes you better